Hi, Greg Fletcher-Harris here again, and today we're really fortunate to have visiting Adelaide again, Vice President of Asia-Pacific area for Mitel, Gwilym Funnell. Thanks for joining us, Will.
Not a problem.
Look, one of the things we've been speaking about in virtualisation, in teleworking, is this word called the cloud. And Gwilym's over in Adelaide taking some time out of his busy schedule internationally to speak to our customers and do some seminars on Mitel's virtualisation and how he sees the future of technology. One of the big things that is coming up time and time again is cloud computing, cloud services. And there's a little bit of confusion, and I really liked in the presentation that Gwilym was doing yesterday to our customers his definition of the cloud. So I was wondering if you could just share with us just quickly, what do you call the cloud, and how's it going to affect business?
Yeah, it is a good question. It's coming up time and again, and I think some people have an idea that the cloud is just literally a data center sitting somewhere on the internet allowing you to access services. But I think what we've created is an analogy with the electricity grid that perhaps helps people think how they can use the cloud for their business, and really what will the cloud mean for their business. When you look at electricity today, the way to think about it is when you plug something into the wall, you turn the power on, it's on demand. You get the power, the electricity delivered to whatever device you're using on demand. If you're not using it, you don't get paid. If you're not using it, you don't have to pay for it. If you are using it, then you pay for it. So it's on demand. But behind all of that, there's a transmission grid to get the electricity to your device. And then behind that, there are a whole series of different mechanisms of generating the power. It could be a coal power station, it could be nuclear power, it could be wind power, but you don't know, you don't care. Because all you worry about is, am I getting my electricity on demand? And the cloud is very similar in that fashion, but it's about computing resources. So really what we're looking at is computing resources becoming the power station. They're generating the power. The internet is now the distribution network that's getting the power to you, or the computing resource to you. And now, from your perspective, you're not having to buy computers or invest in servers. You're literally getting it on demand. So you only pay for it when you use the resource.
So if you use the electricity scenario, it's anything from Microsoft applications to CRM to financial institutions to voice, I guess, that I just want what I want to pay for and I don't really care where it comes from.
Exactly right, and I think one of the challenges that organisations need to be aware of is that obviously when you start putting applications in the cloud, you've got to make sure that they're cloud ready. Virtualising voice was a big challenge, and a challenge that Mitel solved. But the challenge was around the delay sensitivity, because as soon as you put something in the cloud, it introduces a level of delay. And Mitel worked with VMware to solve that. So now you can virtualize your voice and your unified communications in the cloud. As an organization, the business benefits that would bring is you no longer have to buy legacy hardware. You no longer have to have a separate maintenance contract for your voice communication systems. You can literally move that to become an on-demand, as you use it, solution for your business organization.
That's fantastic, mate. Thanks again for joining us. Thanks for coming to Adelaide, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.